Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got a what's in the bag. I received a little early Christmas gift here from my friends Tim and Russ. So thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. We'll go ahead and get in here and see what kind of goodies we have. So let me set you right down and we can unbox this together. I have no idea what's in here, guys. From the feel of it, I'm going to assume it's model cars. But honestly, I have no idea. Oh, they're wrapped individually too. Alright. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just cut them. Be a lot easier. There we go. Oh wow. Check this out, you guys. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you guys. Holy crap. This is really nice. That's the Sox and Martin Boss Cuda there. Check that out, fellas. I will do an unboxing on these in another video. Wow. Very cool. Let's see here. There we go. Any guesses? I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Really? Check that out, guys. Very nice. An actual 64 Plymouth Belvedere from Johan in what I believe is one of the original boxes. That is very cool. There's the Johan Model Company. And if you go back and watch the video that I did on Russ, whose mom actually worked at the Johan Model Company, you have no idea how special this is to me. Thank you guys so very much. And like I said, I will do an unboxing on each one in the future here, folks. But I was very excited when they gave me this gift here a couple days ago, and I wanted to make sure I got it on video. So thank you very much, Tim and Russ. I appreciate the heck out of it. And I will see everybody on the next one. There's Model Car Guy Rich out. Have a great day, everybody. Keep on modeling.